The LTFRB's Pink 4 project is getting positive reviews from the riding public. So let's find out more on this very project from Mara Perez.
Respect for women is one of the age-old values that Filipinos still embody. Women claim that they are also capable of manly duties, but it wouldn't hurt if respect would remain to be prevalent. But in truth, would this value still matter if the struggle in the country's transport system is felt? Would men still offer their seat to women in crowded mass transportation? Women, along with students, persons with disabilities, and senior citizens, are considered marginalized members of society. But with the implementation of LTFRB's Pink 4 project, the daily grind is not that dreadful anymore for them. The 2-month-old project only allows these 4 members of society to ride pink jeepneys, taxis, UV Express, and buses during rush hour. LTFRB said there is a continuing rise in the number of companies which volunteer to allocate vehicles for the sector.
Maganda yung response, nakikita natin marami nag-volunteer na operator kasi ito, voluntary to, at the same time, nagugustuhan ng mga pasahero.
Ruth, a commuter, lauded the project, claiming that gentlemen are scarce nowadays.
Makikita mo rin kasi na yung mga lalaki, wala na sila yung dati yung mga respeto, yung parang ang hirap na nila magbigay ng yung parang opportunity sa mga babae.
The program may have good intent, but how about men who are also vital to the society?
Kasi ganito, no? Paano naman halimbawa isang oras kami nag-aantay dito at yung babaeng huling pili na sa isang pang-100, hindi kayo makakoy namamaga. Sana kung suhisyon ko rito is planuhin nila, mayroong special na jeep lang na para sa kanila. Para hindi na kami nag-aantay, nakakapila rin.
The LTFRB said discrimination should be of no question, as there are more ordinary vehicles for the benefit of all as compared with pink vehicles.
Wala pa naman po yan dahil talagang ang inaayon ho ng ating batas ay bigyan ng special favor ang mga ganitong mga sektor.
The agency is set to launch pink buses with Alabang to Navotas routes next week.